Hey friends, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today's video is all about a royal themed baby shower, one for a girl, one for a boy, both done 2 separate times, but I had at least 2 to 3 weeks to pull these off, and I just want to share with you that if you find yourself in a situation like this, you too can pull it off successfully and elegantly. If you're interested, take a look. So let's get started with the princess baby shower. I love the colors and I think they're still popular right now, but we went with the blush, pinks and whites, and as you can see, all shades of pink were included. And on the centerpieces, I used wreath forms and just added some faux flowers and some floating candles in cylinder vases with a dash of pearls, and I absolutely loved how this turned out. And majority of the flowers used at this shower came from Dollar Tree. This is rather a small and quaint shower with close family and friends, and each person bought something beautiful and lovely for the baby, and the gift table was a standout. We incorporated that into the baby shower, and one of the guests had this beautiful diaper cake made, and it had a tutu on it and all kinds of beautiful gems and jewels on it, and this served as a centerpiece and part of the decor for the shower. So you can also consider that is, you know, not hide the gift table, but make it up front and personal so everyone can see all of the gifts together, because it is a shower. Here is another look of this gift table, and instead of hanging the balloon garland, we just draped it at the bottom of the table just to give it a different look. One thing I like about these balloon garlands is you can find them, the kits, almost anywhere now at any store that sells balloons. So you don't have to hire a company and spend tons of money to create these. You can create them on your own. Another thing that I like to do for the showers that I do is, you know, just jazz up the door prizes if this is something that is going to be done at the shower. So if there's games, there are going to be prizes, and I like for the packaging of the gifts to coordinate with the theme of the shower and have some personalization for the guest of honor or guest of honors. I think this is just a sweet touch, and you know, it always goes over well, and it makes the game players even happy to receive, you know, the gifts, because the packaging says something nice is really inside here. Another thing that I love to use at showers are personalized frames, and usually I make them to coordinate the shower invitation, because that's the first thing that you're going to see to let you know what to expect as far as theme goes. So I like to incorporate custom frame prints to coordinate with the invitation, just to carry the theme out a little longer and you know what you're going to expect. Custom frame prints also gives the mom to be an opportunity to use these prints again if the wording is, you know, appropriate for the baby nursery, or just to keep in a memory book. So that's a really good thing. Or if you're going to be doing these showers for several people, it's good to just have them on hand and pull them out to coordinate with whatever shower theme you're going with. The cake was delicious. It was cute, it was simple, and again I used some of the Dollar Tree flowers to just add a little bit of accent to the cake. And when you use these flowers, fresh or faux, always make sure you sanitize the stems before sticking them into the edible cake. This cute little crown I found on Amazon, and it held up pretty good. I just cleaned it up really nice before adding it to the cake. And now Let's take a look at the boy shower, and it is so regal and handsome for this baby prince to be. And you can just see some of the different elements that I used in this party versus the girl baby shower. So I found these crowns at Hobby Lobby. I love the glitter and the gold. I thought they would be perfect to incorporate here. We went with the royal blues and golds and the baby blue. I think that was a good contrast of color. And these are not real flowers. They are faux floral balls that I've had for several years now, and I just add them to tall candlesticks to give them a little bit of height and just a different just something different to see. Again, you will see these custom frame prints. It doesn't matter what kind of party I am hosting or creating for, these are always a favorite, and the mom to be always wants to get these after the shower, so I incorporated the frames here. So keep that in mind if you want to add some things to your tables. Custom frame prints almost always wins. So as you can see on a different table, and this is where the mom to be's family, immediate family, sat at the shower. So I added this gold sequin tablecloth with the chargers, personalized waters, and the goblets. That was for a toast that would be done later in the shower. I used real candles for this shower, and actually the votive candles have water in it, and I used a floating candle. But Dollar Tree now has LED candles, votive candles, and tea light candles that you can use to put in votive glass holders. That is if you're doing this at home or a venue that does not want flame candles or candles with flames. Always consider, using LED candles as a backup, and if someone tumbles them over, it won't cause a fright. And of course I had to add a touch of bling to this shower, although it's for a little boy. He's not here yet, but his mom is, and she loved the bling. She wanted some type of bling, so without making it too feminine, these vases, just suits the taste of those who wanted to see a little sparkle, additional sparkle added, because there is enough sparkle already going on. But I really like to use those gem, I don't know what you will call them, but I'll say bling candle holders, and add flowers or a candle in those as well. I love to have personalized game booklets at these baby showers. It just adds to the decor, and it gives, just something fun for the guests because they don't know what game they're going to play, and it's just an element of surprise that I like to include. Remember that crown that I used on the cake at the princess baby shower? Well, here it is again. I like this because it is sturdy, it's reusable. You just have to store it in a container so that it won't get damaged or the paint gets ruined. And one of the guests of honor's sisters had these cute shirts made that tells who the person is, and she also created one for Prince Hunter. Love that element, and this was a surprise to the mom, so I just sat it on the charger for her when she arrived to the shower. And you did see, I hope you saw in the princess baby shower, these corsages that the mom to be and the dad to be can wear. Well, this one is for the mommy to be, and it was super simple to make. If you would like me to do a video on how I did these corsages, just let me know down in the comment area and I can see what I can do. And here is Prince Hunter's cake. The detail is amazing, and this was created by a local baker in our area who nails design every single time. I don't know if there's anything that she cannot do. You can find a plethora of games on the internet. Just find something that is coordinating with your theme or just something fun. There are very simple games to complex games that I searched for and just chose the ones that I thought would be suitable for this particular party. Friends, like this video and comment down below if you would like to see me do a video on a ribbon corsage, how to create one, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified of upcoming videos. Until next time, have a great day and thank you so much for watching.